How to fix the Snapchat freezing or lagging on Android problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having the troubles with the Snapchat whereby the app keeps on freezing or lagging, here is what can be done. First of all, close all the background applications of your device. After that, restart your device once and then head over to Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search bar on the bottom right corner and search for Snapchat. If there is any update available, make sure to tap on it. This way, any temporary glitches or bugs will be fixed within seconds. After this is done, head over to your device settings and search for applications or head over to Snapchat, long press it and go to app info. Once that is done, tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache. If you have turned on the data saver in the Snapchat, make sure to turn it off as well. From the battery section, tap on it and make sure restricted is not selected. With all these troubleshooting steps, the problem of lagging or freezing should be fixed. However, if it does not, you might have to reinstall the Snapchat on your device. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.